Ahoy there, shipmates! It's Captain Seasalt here. Today, we're going to be exploring a new island and learning all about things that start with the letter I. Keep a lookout for ice, ice skates, icicles, iguana, iceberg, and igloo. Bundle up, for this be an icy adventure. Whoops! Time to initiate the show. All aboard! Not the itchies again.
Land-ho!
Ahoy, shipmates! In line! Woof, woof.
Where are we, Captain Seasalt?
An incredibly isolated island. Other than that, no idea.
Impressive! Are we going to investigate the island for treasure?
Indubitably, Maya. If you're in, fall in! An intense inspection of this here island's about to be initiated. Everyone in position.
Aye, aye, Captain!
Today we are going to explore Island. We are here on the map. If we follow all the clues on the map, they'll lead us to the treasure.
Whoa! What is all this slippery stuff on the ground?
Whoa! It's incredibly cold.
It's ice, Pedro. Island is covered with ice, which begins with the letter I.
How are we going to investigate this island if it's impossible to walk on?
I know. What is all this, Sammy?
Ice skates. They're the first item on our itinerary.
Ooh! I bet if we put them on, we could investigate the island more easily. Ingenious idea. Whee! This is fun! Come on! Interesting. What are these things hanging off the tree? They're icicles. They form when dripping water freezes. Look at the size of them. Incredible. Hey, guys, come see what we found.
Sounds important. Glide smartly, mateys. It's an iguana named Imogen. Imogen the iguana. And she's sitting on the tip of an icy iceberg. An iguana is a big lizard.
Some iguanas can even swim. Imagine that.
Iguana is the last clue on our map.
The treasure must be close by. Hey, I see something. In that direction. What is that? It looks like a house made out of ice.
Aye, it be called an igloo.
I bet the treasure's inside. I'm inclined to agree. Let's go. It's the treasure!
Let's see what's inside.
Aye, it's ice cream.
Yay!
Let's eat!
Aye, Captain!
Good day!
I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream!
If that wasn't the incredibly iciest adventure yet, I don't know what is. And to top it off with ice cream? Did you catch all the things that start with the letter I? Great. Let's see if you can spot the other I words found on I Island. I could sure go for a tall, cool glass of that iced tea. Iced tea is like normal hot tea, but cold. Though I suppose a hot tea would be better on Icy Eye Island. Is that ink you found? Ink is used in pens for writing on paper. Pens today have ink inside them, but in the old days, you'd have to dip your pen into the ink pot before writing. Oh, is my coat all wrinkly? Good thing you found an iron. An iron is a household tool that boils water and uses the steam to take wrinkles out of clothing. But careful, it can get incredibly hot. I don't know how it's lasted through the cold, but that sure is a lot of ivy. The ivy is a family of leafy plant. Some slowly grow up old walls and fences, and others stay low to the ground. If you touch it, the one called poison ivy will make you itchy, so be careful. You did it, shipmates! You found everything that starts with the letter I. Interesting, isn't it all? And I hope to see you on the next island we intercept. Until then, it was ice seeing you.